Hello friends, hi guys, you are highly welcome to my channel. Welcome back to our channel. How are you all doing? I hope you're good. I hope you're keeping safe. Yes guys, I'm actually sweating. Please if you know anything I can use for my face, please be kind enough to send to me. Yes, somebody just gave me fan. Thank you for your love. Yes, let me put this one by my side. All right guys, now I want you to know that I love you, but God loves you more. Yes, that is why he's going to fight all your battles this year. That is why he's going to make sure that everything is become possible for you. Okay guys, now I want you to know that there are so many things that are beyond us that we don't know how to go about it. There are so many things that when you think left, you think right, you look front, you look back, you find out that this battle is too much. You need a help. That is when the helper of destiny coming. Some of you are thinking of the helper of destiny come and give me a job in engineering company. Helper of destiny, come and give me a job in oil company. Helper of destiny, come and give me a job in the bank. You know, when I was studying, they said, what do you want to read? I said, I will go for business administration. So, and they were like, you work in the lab now. Why not go for lab science and all that? I just told them, leave me alone. Just leave me alone. Because after this business administration, I'm going to go for guidance and counseling. That's where I want to go and get my first degree. Okay. Because I know that this certificate, I'm not going to work in any office. And they will be laughing. Everybody wants to get a job in different places. They will ask me, Mercy, what's your prayer points? So some people say, go give me a job in bank, give me a job. I'll just say, Father, make me a solution to as many as possible. Make me a problem solver to generations. Yes, that is my prayer every day and night. And here I am solving problems somehow, and I give him glory. Okay, because I believe when God bless you, you will remember me. Yes guys, I want you to know that spiritual husband or spiritual wife, they are the one that ruling now. They are principalities and powers in high places, not in low places. In high places, not in what? In low places. Like I told you one of my videos, that they have register, they have time. To 11 o'clock, they will go and visit Janet. 12 o'clock, they will go for Maria. 1 o'clock, they will go for Joy. 2 o'clock, they will go for Favor. That's why they have timetable. They have record. They are going about afflicting people. Reason is because the plan of the devil is to steal, to kill, and to destroy. To make sure that you never have a fulfilled destiny, a complete marriage, a settled life, a life full of joy, a life full of destiny. To make sure they scatter the plans of God in your life. They make sure they derail you and make you or your children miserable. And let me warn you, as a woman, you have a spiritual husband. Ensure that you deal with it. Because if you give birth to a female child, you can transfer it to your child. Because as that spirit is coming to sleep with you while you are pregnant and is depositing that smelling and rotting, useless, evil deposit in your body while you are pregnant, you can also transfer it to your daughter. You are a man, you can also transfer spiritual wife to your son. Any little thing, doors will open for them to come in because they are following their father. Majority of you don't know how spiritual man or spiritual wife enter into your body. Majority of you collected it from your parents. That is why you begin to look for solution. Solution become difficult because if your parent has destroyed them, it would have been lesser. Why majority of you through sleeping around with different men, with different women, exchanging of weave-on, clothes, shoe, lipstick, makeup, your ways of dressing can open door for those spirits to come into. The places you go for solution, seeking for power, seeking for wealth, the materials they gave you to use and take your bath or whatever can put you into that marine chain kingdom. Why some people say you can go and beg and settle them? I don't believe on that. Those that believe on that, they know how to go and do it. Okay? Me, I do not believe on that. Because I know what I'm saying. Yes. If you have done it, you have divorced, you have gone to the river, they've gone and do some things and yet no solution, then which one will be the solution? So what are you coming to tell me again? You can go and settle. How many times will they go to the river to say they want to settle one thing or the other, and yet nothing? So I don't believe in that. Now, a lot of people is really complaining, Sister Mercy, please, this and spiritual man, spiritual wife is really the problem they're facing. And I decided to come up with a solution. I never wanted to put man in this journey, but somehow I'm here. There is this one of my sister here on YouTube that did how to unmask unfriendly friend. Now, unmasking unfriendly friend, initially it was like physical, those friends, but did you know that it also unmasks spiritual unfriendly friend? Things that was hidden was being unveiled, revealed to her. The veil was removed for her to see. Because there are some people, and if you have a spiritual husband or spiritual wife, they can blindfold the person. You will not know that they are the one tormenting you, that they are there. But they are the one tormenting you, and they are there. But they are there tormenting you, and they are there. So she said after she has done that, unmasking your unfriendly friend, she slept. As she slept, she found out that she removed the ring because of that lemon she used to wash her hand, that lime or lemon, which of them, all of them still have the same antioxidants property in them. Anti-witchcraft, okay, anti-spiritual husband is their property, is lemon. One of their property is lemon, garlic, ginger, salt, palm kernel oil, red oil. Is all these are some of their properties. Okay, their properties that fight them naturally. So after she has used that lemon to wash her hands, okay, and went to bed. By doing that, she removed the ring that the spiritual husband gave her and dropped. All this while, she has problem of unstable marriage. Yes, I know that she will know I'm talking about is a testimony, because she never knew that there is a spiritual man in her life. She does not have sex in the dream. Why? The spiritual man blindfolded her, so she don't know. She has been attacking witchcraft, and she forget marine witchcraft. So she removed the ring. So when the time for the spiritual man to always come and sleep with her, rape her like usual, when he came, he found out that something went wrong. The yoke was broken. The agreement was destroyed. The covenant has been removed. So because that ring is not in her body, he cannot have access to lie with her. And he removed her blankets, physical vein. She said she feel a man standing before her. It's like she's sleeping, but she was not really fast asleep. She can see the man standing in her front. Remove her blanket, fiam. remove her pajamas, the trouser, fiam. And she left while she was seeing a ring, a wedding ring by the side, her side on the bed. When she wake up from her sleep, behold, the blanket that she used to cover herself has been removed. They've removed her trouser, pajamas, so she was just only wearing the top and half naked. Those are the things that goes on in the dream, in her sleep, when she's sleeping. Okay? And the spirit left angrily because he cannot penetrate as usual. And she woke up and was calling me, Sister Mercy, what does this mean? And I said, okay, let me share this with you. Little things matters. I say, thank God, because you have removed that ring. A majority have been trying to remove that ring. Even some know. They have been trying. It's not easy. But God has delivered you. The Spirit wanted you to know that He has been visiting you. That's what happened. Another lady told me that the Spirit came to tell her and say, open your leg. Open your leg. Let me enter and drop this thing. Open your leg. And force her and rape her. And she woke up. She was crying. Spiritual husband has really dealing with so many people. And that is why I came out with this solution. Spiritual husband and spiritual wife victory kits. Spiritual husband and spiritual wife victory kit. Look at it. Look at the pictures. So look at it. So I sell these kits, okay? I sell it. But if you have somewhere you can buy, fine. But I sell it. It's a kit for spiritual man and spiritual husband. When you buy it, you will open it. You will open it, is sealed, and you will see the instruction on how to use it. Okay? And with this, you are good to go. And say bye-bye to spiritual husband. I don't have your time again. No more relationship with you. With this, you are free. Okay? This is the angel that will kill that spiritual husband. Yes, Lord. This is the angel that will kill that spiritual wife. Okay. So this is your anti-spiritual husband victory kit. As many that will be interested to be free from that bondage, you can contact me and I will deliver it to you wherever you are staying. This is what I want to share with you. Bye.